Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished a topic related with our literature as well as its prose section. Today, we should have to start a new topic also related with literature. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me.
Chapter 3 related with our prose section, and it's the topic related with also our first flight. The title here like to a story about flying, and it's the second part like black aeroplane. It's creation of Frederick Forsyth. My dear students, just before going to highlight the facts or a story related with the chapter, first of all, I would like to provide you a brief description related with the story writer as well as its author. Frederick MacD Forsyth was born on 25th August 1938. He is an English author, journalist, former spy, and occasional political commentator. He is best known for thrillers such as The Day of the Jackal, etc. He works frequently appear on bestsellers lists, and more than a dozen of his titles have been adapted to film. By 2006, he had sold more than 70 million books in more than 30 languages. My dear students, just after providing you such a brief description related with the story writer, now we think about the characters related with the story. These characters have to play their direct or indirect role in this story are such as, first one here like the narrator related with the first plane, second character here like the pilot related with the black aeroplane, and the third character like a woman related with the control center. Now, just after having such ideas related with characters, now we have to think about the spot, place or scene related with the story. First one here, like Old Dakota. It's an aeroplane. Second here, it's the place like France. Third one as England. Fourth one like Paris. Control DSO8. Now the theme, moral or the fact of the story. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feel happy and contented to fly over a city that is sleeping. He is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreamed about a long holiday with his family. Now, my dear students, next day I shall try my best to provide you the summary related with this chapter. So, all of you stay at home, be safe. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Hope to see you again.